We are now doing an anti-aging treatment. So, for anti-aging, of course, in 10 minutes of nanotherapy, we are able to treat décolleté, neck and face. We normally start from this point. This is a chakra point. Reflex in this situation where we talk about anti-aging is only used to treat the expression wrinkle. So, if you don't have this situation, you simply don't use it, because in this case what we want to do is reach and volumize the dermis layer. That is exactly the dermis layer, the layer where we normally lose water, and so then we produce wrinkle. We can ask our client to turn a little bit the face like that, so we can easily treat the full neck, going on treating the ear, going back then to treat neck and part of the chin. We normally stay for at least 30 seconds, but now I do it quick because I want to show you how to do it. So in this situation we are treating chin and part of the lip couture, then we go on cheek, then we go on eyes. We can ask our client to leave it eyes open. That's good, because there is no problem with this matter, as our matter we have into the eyes too. So normally it's good to keep eyes open. Then we go on forehead and we treat temple area. Doing, as I'm seeing this beautiful eyebrow, I can tell you that doing nano immediately after a microbleeding means fix forever the pigment of the bio tattooing you have done. The silicone cups is made to be moved, and so you can easily model the cap on the face you are treating. Breathe nanoparticles. Oh, that's a good idea, because you have to know that we do nanotherapy to treat also asthma, BPCO, and all lungs disease. This treatment is also important to detox. Today, a lot of customers enjoy their face in doing Botox filler. Nano is absolutely not a contraindication, but is a big support in help your full fascia and ligament to be treated, and so then support better the filler and the heavy weight people has on their face. I show you if you want to treat, for example, wrinkle, expression wrinkle with our dear reflex. I'm here treating her temple area, and I go with reflex exactly here to treat this wrinkle. In this case, nanoparticles enter into the face, but are also attracted by the other side of the face where we have our dear reflex. So I can do this, I can treat eye couture, and then going with the reflex here, or I can treat the glabella wrinkle and keep the client the possibility to breathe and treat the full lip couture, where we normally have a lot of expression wrinkle, especially if you are a smoker. So if you are a smoker, doing Nano Healthcare means detox and treat your lip wrinkle.